Hello my dear audience, peace be upon you. I hope you are enjoying yourself. I am Muhammad Akhtar Raza. Today my topic is how to success our life. So I will try to make you understand how to success our lives, and it's necessary for success. It's necessary for success that concept must be cleared. There are 4 points necessary for success. First point, where I have to go. Second point, how much power I have get. Third point, how shall I go there. Fourth point, I will try to achieve it. Many people come and say that, sir, I am failure, life is so boring, I cannot achieve anything. If you ask them, what's your goals, what's your targets, what's your purpose? The answer, I have many targets. The answer, I have many targets. You must know first of all that your target must be clear. Exactly, what do you want to achieve it? You can achieve anything that you want. At first, it's necessary for success to select any right target, because without selecting a right target, you can't be success in any field. You can't be success in any field. After I'll try to find out it, suppose that a person who has target to be doctor and other person who has target to be lawyer, to be engineer, to be Islamic scholar, etc. Firstly, target must be cleared. Many people are present here who selected their target. Raise your hand to be doctor, to be professor, to be engineer, to be Islamic scholar, etc. Firstly, target must be cleared. The people who don't know their target, then they say, we are success in which field? Do you want to success? Mind it. If you haven't your clear target, thus your power, your ability and your capacity will be divided into various option and target. Therefore, don't say you will be so and you will be this like that. How does he drive? How does he live? Dr. Iqbal says about them in Urdu language, पराई आग में सुलगते रहे उम्र भर, जो अपनी आग में जलते तो किमिया होते. Third Khalif of Islam, Hazrat Usman Ghani radiallahu ta'ala anhu says that choose a purpose for life. Then utilize all your strength to achieve it. You would definitely be successful. And also, Indian biggest scientific APJ Abdul Kalam says that if you want to be successful in work, you select a target. Hello my dear audience, choke your mind. Once upon a time a girl was born in English. She was paralysis. It missed two parts of horrible to the few works in all parts, her eyes and mind. Well, she had desired to become a famous celebrity in the world. And she was 19 years old. She wrote a book by her eyes and mind. Now you are amazed to listen that it. How did she write a book? Which words and sentences spoken by her all family members and relatives in front of her, she opens her eyes and closes it. Opens her eyes and closes it. Thus, words became shaped sentences. And sentences became the images, and images took the shape books. To understand, my dear? Oh, how can you say that? Human cannot do anything. Will Allah Almighty give you 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 eyes, 1 high-level brain, costly tongue? Why you say we cannot do anything? Impossible says impossible. She girl says, what I am? Look at me, what I am. I have only 2 eyes and 1 brain. But you have got everything, but you don't know to use them.